International recording artist Vybz Kartel pulled out of show that was slated for Trinidad tonight. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. What was slated to be an epic showdown in Trinidad tonight will not get to materialize as Vybz Kartel will not be performing. The management of internationally acclaimed dancehall artist Vybz Kartel has confirmed that he will not be performing at the One Caribbean Festival in Trinidad tonight. In an official statement, Vybz Kartel team cited the promoter's failure to meet contractual obligations as the reason for the last-minute cancellation. The team said that they made numerous attempts over the past few months to resolve the outstanding issues, but the promoter was unable to fulfill key requirements as outlined in the performance agreement. Fans who were expecting to see Vybz Kartel take the stage tonight will now have to wait for another opportunity, as no alternative performance has been announced. The statement further went on to say that Vybz Kartel has always been committed to delivering captivating and unforgettable performances for his fans. However, we cannot be in good conscience allow him to participate in an event where the organizers have not honored their basic contractual obligations. We value professionalism and respect in all business dealings, and we expect the same in return. The statement further added that Vybz Kartel would like to thank the government of Trinidad and Tobago for granting him permission to enter the country to perform for the One Caribbean Music Festival. We are hopeful that he would be able to perform for local fans in the future, and we would like to thank all Vybz Kartel supporters for their continued love and understanding, and we look forward to bringing you more great music and performances soon, the statement concluded. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Thanks for watching.